The bed seems to be leveled good. I'll show you in this video what I mean by the stress being put on the filament and on the hot end. There's the filament. Look how it pulls. Look at all that. That doesn't seem right to me. That it should go through those kind of stresses. It's rubbing there on the frame. Just things like that I come from an industrial technician experience. I was pulling on that potential kinks in there. And something like that just doesn't seem smooth. Things rubbing, that rubbing on that ribbon cable, filament rubbing on the ribbon cable. Also there's another wire, that wire back here. It rubs on this rail and on this sharp edge right here. And that's something I can do something about. I see you have the covering on there, but here we are again. That really pulls on there. I assume it wouldn't be the same running off the top, but I'll be running all high temperature stuff is my plan. So I'll be needing the cover on. And a lot of reviews said that that hole cut in there for the spool in the cover, they close it off. So it was good to me though since the update, even though that one file said it didn't recognize it, the update file. To me, everything looks fine. You see how it prints? I printed one of these. I tried to print one. Got about It got about 40% done. When I shut it off, it was showing here on the right side of that piece, on the square edges just on this side. Well, I don't know what the proper terminology is. It was irregular. And it looked like some filament got built up on the nozzle, and it was transferring that. Since it was built up on the right side of the nozzle, it kept distorting the edge. But I'm pretty confident here now. And there we go again, the catch and slip of the filament. If it's not going all the way to its limit, then maybe it's not so bad, but still, even here, eventually it's going to get so tight that it's going to have to pull. Yeah, it seems like that doesn't seem. Back and forth, putting bend in it. Look at it pulling. I just don't. Do we really think that that's good? So on a spool holder, I just have it screwed on with this spool holder here. I have it tight. Oh, there it is, loose. I'll tighten it back up here to show. And you have the play back and forth this way. And then it hits here. Potential rubbing, catching on something, and at the same time, it comes just up through this tube, which I believe is proper, and into the hot end, where there's a lot of stress. In fact, you can see a bend right there, I mean a kink in the filament where it bent. I probably caused that, but from messing around. The bed leveling seems to go good. No more topping out with the screws. It was just that the update file said it was an unknown file. The other two took good. I had to shut the machine off and reset it. It wasn't taking, it didn't recognize any of the files till I powered it off and started it back up. But that's what it is about the spool. And this going into here, I thought I saw other machines that had another assist that it runs through that helps pull the filament through. And then there's also what, a runout detector too that many machines have. So I wonder if something like that is available for this machine. Even pulls on a tube there. Potential for causing deformation, I would guess, or just bending. And again, with the spool very close to that fan shroud. Okay, I ran part of the test here. Still doing the same thing on this one right side. I lowered the bed there, I don't know, but sure enough, it's kinked, and you can even see stressed. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but it's stressed right there. It's white. Where it's bent. Can't be good. Well, another thing that I noticed is it was this one and this one back here. This one no longer. You seen it, and but I have end play here. Usually end play is not a good thing. This is tight, good. We're going into print here. Stressed out filament. Pretty sure I know what's causing my print problems here. I have a bad gear off of this drive motor here. And it does get tight and loose, and you can see is damaged, cracked, mostly on the other side. What's too bad is I have an endoscope here for the reasons just like this, and I can't get it to hook up to the Wi-Fi, and I don't understand how they expect the USB to hook up, but I wonder if I could get this gear. Sophia?